Now we've got a pretty good start. Let's look at adding scoring to our game. We'll need a way to display the score to the user. So let's start by adding a text box that we will use as a scoreboard. Tap on the object's icon from the palette on the left and tap Text. Tap on the text box to open its editor. Tap next to Name. Let's name this text box Scoreboard. Now let's change the text to say Score. Let's add some formatting to make this look a little better. Find the property called Style and choose Transparent. This will remove the background color from the text box. Now tap next to Font. Let's make this a little bigger. Slide the selection wheel on the right until we have a font size of about 30. Click Save. Now tap next to Text Color. Let's choose white. Click Save. Now let's tap in a corner to resize our text box, and then tap in the middle to move it to the upper right of the screen. Great! Now we have a scoreboard. The next thing we'll want to do is create a variable called Score and make sure that it's set to 0 when the game starts. Tap anywhere on the page to open the page editor, tap to open the scripting tab, and then tap on our subroutine Run Game. Tap the green plus sign to add a new script. Tap on the Variables and Calculations script group and scroll down until you find Set Variable. Let's name our variable Score and then tap next to Variable Value and give it a value of 0. Tap Save. Now swipe right to return to our list of scripts. There's one additional script we need to add to display the score to the user. Tap on the green plus sign to add a script, and this time choose the Animation and Set Properties group. Scroll down until you find the script Set Text. Tap next to Object Type and choose Text. Now tap next to Object Name and choose the new text box we just created called Scoreboard. Now tap next to Text. We want the user to see the word score before the value, so type in score, then a semicolon. Now we'll need to dereference the variable we created called score. We'll use left curly brace, score, right curly brace. This will display the current value of the variable named score. We're going to need this script again in just a minute, so let's go ahead and make a copy of it while we're here. Tap the copy icon at the bottom of the property editor and tap OK. Swipe right to return to our list of scripts. As before, we need to reorder our scripts so that our new set variable and set text scripts run before the loop. Tap on the red minus sign now. Tap the hamburger stack next to our new set variable and set text scripts and move them up above the loop. The next thing we need to do is tell the program to add to the score every time the bug is tapped. Tap on the bug and then tap to open the scripting tab. Tap on When Button is Touched. Tap on the green plus sign to add a script and tap on the Variables and Calculations script group. Tap on the top script in the list, Add to Variable. Tap on Variable Name and enter Score. Now tap next to Value. This is the value that will be added to the variable named Score. Enter 1 and hit Save. Swipe right. Just as before, we need to display to the user when their score is updated. Tap on the green plus sign and find Paste Copied Content just under Variables and Calculations. Tap to choose Paste Copied Script Set Text. This will paste an exact copy of the set text script we used before. Swipe right. Once again, we need to reorder our scripts so that Add to Variable and Set Text run before the subroutine. Tap on the red minus sign, tap on the hamburger stack next to Run Subroutine, and drag it to the bottom of the list. Great work! Let's run our app again to see our scoring in action. You should now be able to tap the bug and see the score go up in the text box on the right. Great work!